Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about something that affects almost all of us, social media addiction. You open your phone for just a few minutes and suddenly an hour is gone. In this video, I'll show you the hidden dangers of social media, why it's so addictive, and most importantly, how you can break free and take control of your life again. And as you listen, you'll also improve your English with new words and phrases. Let's be honest, social media itself is not bad. It helps us connect with friends, get news, and sometimes even find inspiration. But these platforms are designed to keep us scrolling. Every like, every comment, every notification works like a small spark in your brain. Scientists call this a dopamine hit. Dopamine is a chemical that makes you feel pleasure. The more you get it, the more you want it. That's why sometimes you open Instagram or TikTok without thinking. Your brain has been trained to do it automatically. The danger is this: the more time you spend online, the less time you spend on your real life, your goals, your dreams, your relationships. Think about it. How many hours do you lose every week just scrolling? What if you used even half of that time to learn something new, to work on your body, or to build your future? Social media addiction has powerful effects. First, it destroys your focus. Imagine you are studying or working, and suddenly, ding, a notification pops up. Your attention is broken. It can take 20 minutes to fully focus again, but often another notification arrives before that. Second, it can hurt your self-esteem. When you scroll, you see people showing only the best parts of their lives: perfect photos, expensive cars, dream vacations. You start to compare yourself. You think, why isn't my life like that? But remember, what you see online is not real life. It's just a highlight reel. Third, it steals your time. And time is life. Every hour you waste scrolling is an hour you will never get back. One day you might look back and realize years were lost to endless scrolling. So how do you break free? Here are 5 practical steps. Step 1, be aware. Check your screen time. Your phone can show you exactly how many hours you spend on each app. The number might shock you. Step 2, set limits. Decide when and how long you'll use social media. For example, only twice a day, 20 minutes each time. You can also use apps that block social media while you work or study. Step 3, replace, don't just remove. If you delete social media without replacing it, you'll feel bored. Instead, fill that space with valuable habits: reading, walking, learning a new skill, or even practicing English. Step 4, control notifications. Turn off the ones you don't need. You don't have to know instantly when someone likes your photo. Step 5, build real connections. Spend more time with people in real life. Share a meal, play sports, talk face to face. Real human connection is much more powerful than likes and comments online. Now imagine this life. You wake up in the morning and the first thing you do is not grabbing your phone, but breathing deeply, drinking water, maybe stretching a little. You sit down to work or study and you're fully focused. Hours pass and you realize you've accomplished so much. You feel proud. Later, you laugh and talk with family or friends, creating real memories. At night, you sleep peacefully without the noise of endless scrolling. That life is waiting for you if you take control. Breaking free from social media addiction is not easy. It takes discipline and courage. But remember, you are stronger than your habits. Ask yourself, do you want to be controlled by your phone or do you want to control your life? Every time you choose real life over scrolling, you are building a stronger, freer, and happier version of yourself. So today, take the first step. Limit your time. Replace bad habits with good ones. And little by little, you'll see the difference. Thank you for watching and practicing your English with me today. I hope this video not only gave you useful tips, but also inspired you to think deeply about your time. Remember, social media is just a tool. It should serve you, not control you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you grow, not only in English, but in life. Stay strong, stay focused, and see you in the next video.